Would you like to know how to get the confidence and experience in dating women and attracting and seducing them for a sexual relationship? Then keep watching to my channel. Hi there! This is PlayMale and welcome to my channel Confidently Dating Women. Seduce hot and attractive single women for a sexual relationship within 4 hours of meeting her. And do that without having to lie or cheat or needing a lot of money or muscles. A step-by-step guide from approaching a woman to having a relationship with her on your terms. Now, if you are a Western single man over the age of 25 and you want to know where to meet younger women and how to approach that hot women and new women you fancy in a flirty and confident way, do you want to know what to say when to spark to her attraction and have her interested in you romantically? And then what do you do on an instant first date to further build the attraction and seduce her mind further? How to get her then to a place where you can have more intimacy and also have hot and steamy sex? How do you keep her if you desire so? How do you keep seeing her and fucking her without having to commit first to an exclusive relationship? Then stay tuned and we'll keep watching, because in Confidently Dating Women I exactly explain how to do this. If you are a man that's recovering from a long-term monogamous relationship with a woman, or when you are stranded in like this endless deserts of dry spells, will now be a moment to decide to change your sexual life for the better from a mediocre or no sex life to one of having hot and steamy sex whenever you want with a lot of women that you desire. As a formerly retired no-nonsense dating coach from the sex capital of the world, which is Amsterdam in the Netherlands, I find more and more men struggling with this question how to date and how to meet and date hot women and how to build a sexual relationship with her, either long-term or short-term, but a relationship that includes sex. The problem I see most Western men struggling with is that they never have been initiated in how to properly approach and seduce a woman they fancy. They've been listening to all the wrong ideas and all the wrong input in this world where there's like princess conditioning going on, where you have to be, as a man, you have to please a woman and put her on a pedestal and treat her like a queen and then hope one day maybe she will have like interest in you and want to decide to sleep with you. Don't do that. That's wrong. It does not work. You have been trained and conditioned in the wrong way. And that's also why in the new and revised updated edition of Confidently Dating Women book, I've dedicated a specific chapter, one of the first chapters actually, to how to get rid of all those limiting beliefs and bad programming that's in your head that's blocking you from being a man, from being masculine, from having balls and approaching and dating women how it actually works and not by how women would like to see it. You may have tried several times in your life to be very nice to a woman and to be a very kind and helpful guy, in your attempts and in your hopes that she will then notice you and become attracted to you and also decide to sleep with you and have a relationship with you. Now, you may have found that this does not work. Women don't like for having a man that's really supplicating to her. Instead, it's important that you start changing your behavior and changing your attitude so that you become the prize and not her is the prize in the relationship. So that she will chase you instead of you chasing her. And this is very important if you want to spark an attraction with a woman. If you do everything what they say, you are a pleaser and you are not a romantic or sexual candidate for her. Try and attempt to tune into your own masculinity, really feel it, and from there lead and show her the way how it works with you to be in your life. You invite her to your life and it's not the other way around. You don't have to do anything special to seduce or attract a woman other than the things you will do as a real man. And here's where it helps, because you are born as a man. You have in you already all the properties and the characteristics and everything you need to seduce, to date, seduce and sleep with women you desire. Your biggest enemy that's blocking you now from actually having a life where sex comfort is abandoned for you and that you have enough women chasing you is that you have been operating on the wrong beliefs. You have learned several things when you grew up by your parents, by the peers, by the social media, by the television, about how you are supposed to treat women so that they will romantically like you. This does not work if you want to be in control, in the sense that you have a freedom over your sexual life and when or where you have sex. So stop doing that. Stop listening to the wrong sources of information. Instead, learn how to tune into your authentic masculinity, and by learning to flow that energy in combination with some practical steps that you will learn in my new and revised, updated and expanded book, Confidently Dating Women, how to seduce a woman that you fancy within 4 hours of meeting her, all the way for a sexual relationship on her terms. So we combine that you're already a man. We just have to get rid of limiting beliefs and things that have not been working for you, combined with the practical application of new behaviors and beliefs that you can actually practically utilize and start doing in your everyday life, so that you will become an interesting guy. You will start to be noticed by women. They will want to be hanging around with you. They will give you all kinds of signals that, oh yes, I want to see you, I want to meet you, and I want to feel you. That is what you can achieve when you start applying the method, or start applying the approach that I explain in Confidently Dating Women, the dating guide for single Western men over 25 years or age or older. And also to get on my exclusive list for insiders. You do that on the website by just leaving your name and email address on www.confidentlydatingwomen.com. All together, no dashes, no hyphens, no spaces, no nothing. www.confidentlydatingwomen.com. See you there.